Good morning, geeks. Happy Monday. It's our second day in Vegas, and we're actually going to go downstairs to have the breakfast that comes with the place. So we're going to see and check it out, see what it's all about, and we'll take you with us. All right, geeks, we are now in the car and ready to head off. Yesterday, we were supposed to go to Hoover Dam. That was actually the plan when we were supposed to fly here. But due to the fact that it took us 6 hours to get here, 6.5 hours, maybe 7 hours to get here, we actually pushed Hoover Dam for today. So it's Monday. We're in the car. We're going to head out to Hoover Dam, check it out over there, probably go over to Bellagio as well. And you know what? I'm glad we bought the car because actually we can park rather than walk, because walking in this sun is treacherous. I will not do it. So that's what we're going to do right now, is we're heading out to Hoover Dam. I was going to show you what the breakfast was like, but it was actually kind of good. The breakfast that was included in this hotel was actually decent. We'll probably show you that on our last morning here, but we want to get out and start doing some stuff, so we'll take you along. See you around. All right, y'all, we have actually reached Hoover Dam. Drove up here, took us about maybe almost 45 minutes to get here. We are currently in line because they have to do a vehicle inspection before you can get out to the dam itself, but check it out. It really isn't that bad. I mean, they're just gonna inspect our car. We'll go and park and probably walk, because there's like a walk up there. I don't know, we're just gonna figure it out, and hopefully there's like a food truck or ice cream truck or some kind of truck that we can eat from, or a family that has extra food or snacks. Just kidding, just kidding. are actually at Hoover Dam, on the dam itself, and it is incredible. This whole design mechanism is quite unreal. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. And it's such a great thing because we actually came with Keoua and Nevins. Of course, Nevins won't understand, but Keoua for a historical moment, right? And I really wish Dylan was here and Ale too, so they could have seen it as well. But it's our first time to Hoover Dam, and we're walking on the dam. We're actually on the dam itself. Beautiful. What an amazing structure. Crazy. We're gonna continue walking. Gummy.
Yeah.
Wow. So what do you think of the Hoover Dam?
It's huge.
It's huge, right?
Yeah.
Pretty big. Oh my gosh. Can you believe you came and saw all this? Wow. Now walking on the other side of Hoover Dam, and I'm totally floored of how beautiful this whole place is. Oh my goodness. Amazing. The structure was pretty rad on the other side, but this is perfectly amazing. And this is beautiful. Like, I can't believe it. I totally can't believe it. We are down here at the Fremont Street in the daytime. You know, we went walking, went to California Hotel to eat, and went to the beef jerky store to get some stuff to send to home and to bring to the older kids, Dylan and Ale. So we got our shopping done a little bit, but different here in Vegas. Now that they have legalized marijuana, you can smell it all over, and it's kind of not a good place to have kids in because they inhale that too. So we're gonna leave and go back to the hotel and kind of veg out for now, but we'll see you again later. We are in the observatorium at the Bellagio. Look at how beautiful and bright and so nice. This whole place is beautiful. Everything about this is always beautiful. Bellagio always does a good job at this place. It's unreal. So beautiful. Now, off to go see the fountains.